Hi friends, welcome to Hershey's Kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make paneer tikka. Let's start it.
For paneer tikka, I am adding about 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Now add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Adding about 1 tablespoon of gram flour, which is roasted in butter and then made into paste. Now mix it properly. Now add about 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Mix it thoroughly. Now the marinade is ready. I'll keep this aside and I'll cut the vegetables. I have taken soft paneer and I'll cut into cubes now. Cut into big cubes like this. So I have taken 2 colors of bell peppers and onions, cut into cubes, and make sure that they are all of equal size. I will add vegetables into it, adding bell peppers. So add all the onions into it. Mix them properly. By that, entire marinade should coat the pieces. Now I will add paneer cubes into it. So mix them properly with the help of spatula. Now I have coated all the pieces with the marinade properly, bell peppers, onion and the cottage cheese, paneer. Now I will rest it for about 15 minutes. By that it nicely marinates along with the batter. After resting it for about 15 minutes, I have taken, if you have skewers you can use them, but today I am using this cocktail sticks which more or less does the same job. So I will insert these pieces into the cocktail stick. One bell pepper, 1 onion piece, and again 1 green capsicum, and 1 paneer cube. You can just make something like this. Now I will repeat the same process for rest of the pieces. I have placed the pieces on grill top. Now I will be putting it in the oven. If you don't have oven, you can cook it by using pan. That is, you have to sprinkle some oil on it and cook the pieces evenly by turning all the sides. So what I did is, I have kept the oven tray in the bottom and grill top on the upside. So what happens is, the marinade, if it melts, it will be falling onto the foil. So do it in the same way if you are preparing it by using oven. I'll cook it for 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Now you can see this is almost done. So before 5 minutes of taking it out, I'm drizzling some oil on top of the pieces with the help of brush like this. Just dab the oil on top of the pieces. By that it gives some glossy look. Now I placed it back and I'll close it. So 2 more minutes left to take out the paneer tikkas. Now you can see the paneer tikkas are ready and the absolute smoky look on top of it. This is what we exactly wanted. So lift the pieces slowly like this and we'll place it in the plate. Have dished it out in the plate. I'll squeeze some fresh lemon juice on top of it, just like this. Now the paneer tikkas are ready to serve. So it is a very easy and simple recipe where we can make it at our home and have this restaurant style paneer tikkas. So friends, please do try this recipe and have this wonderful paneer tikka. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more such easy recipes.